Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to turn on post notifications on a post inside of Facebook. You may have seen, or do this yourself, inside of the comments section of a Facebook post, people commenting following or a period or similar. Doing this will alert you in the future if others comment or if there's activity on that post. But you can actually do this a different way though, by turning on notifications for the post instead. To do this, find the post that you want to follow. On the top right of the post, tap the three dots. Now inside of this menu, tap Turn on Notifications for this post. Now in the future, if there's activity like comments or update edits, you'll be notified in the notification sections like you're used to. And if you want to be removed from receiving post notifications, again head back to the post, tap the three dots on the top right, and then choose Turn off notifications for this post. Any future notifications will then be stopped. And that's how you turn on and off individual post notifications inside of Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.